Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today we are here with new admission video. Admission open 2022 to 2023. In People's College of Cyber Security, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Admission open 2020-2023. Applied Forensic Research Sciences presents People's College Forensic Science and Cyber Security Aurangabad Maharashtra. People's College recognized by Government of Maharashtra, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad Disha Bahudeshia Sevabhavi Sansthas. Admission open for the courses: Bachelor's of Science Forensic Science and Cyber Security, Master of Science Forensic Science, Forensic Science, Forensic Cyber Security, Applied Physics and Ballistics, Forensic Science and Toxicology. Eligibility and documents required: BSc. Eligibility: SAD Phase 10 plus 2 Science. Documents required: any ID card, HSC 12 mark sheet, leaving certificate LC, passport size photograph. MSc. Eligibility: BSc, Applied Science. Most preferable: Forensic Science. Documents required: Aadhaar card, last SEM mark memo, HSC mark memo photo, leaving certificate LC, passport size photograph. Departments present at college: Forensic Science, Forensic Chemistry, Forensic Physics, Forensic Biology, Forensic Psychology, Digital and Cyber Forensic, Communication. Indian Penal Code. Key features of college: first college in the state to provide forensic science along with cyber security course. Study materials are provided to every student. CCTV surveillance in campus. Separate boys and girls hostel available. All types of scholarship schemes available. Upgraded laboratories for all subjects. Library as well as online resources facility available. Well-qualified and experienced staff. Vast infrastructure with playground. Biometric attendance. Weekly test. Extracurriculum activities. Bus facility. Facilities available. Library: the readers can keep themselves equipped with current events and the latest developments in various fields. Scholarship: a scholarship is an award of financial aid for a student to further their education. Bus: this service is offered ensuring a hassle-free and safe transportation. Healthcare facility: doctors are available on call whenever the need arises. Biometric attendance: biometric attendance to keep students in class. Canteen: college has a hygienically maintained canteen which provides healthy and nutritious food. Contact details of college. Thank you for watching video. For more admission video, follow us and subscribe our YouTube channel. For any query, comment us.